I am R.P. Mehrotra.
Srividya, 1992 pass out electronics.
Sanjay Sharma, 1985 civil.
R.S. Singh, 73 batch electrical.
Alok Kumar Sinha.
Saurabh Chandra, mechanical 2001.
I am Vinay Rao from 84 Mech.
Alok from 84 Chemical.
Arvind Gupta, 1992 Electronics.
College life, this is something you see, if you look back, this is the golden period of your life.
During my 4 years, it was great experience. I've done most of the things, as I said earlier, except learning of engineering.
In this second year, I got second position. In third year and fourth year, I had first position.
But that's how the atmosphere was, you know. अपना notes को mug up करो, उसके बाद end semester में निकाल दो. That is not a knowledge. That is not learning. है ना?
What I learned is the amazing opportunity not to be disciplined. Amazing opportunity not to attend classes till pass. Amazing thing to see that ragging was so good.
Something which you can never get anywhere else in the world. And that is typically also because college times are like that.
देखिए इंस्टीट्यूट के जो 4 साल थे prepared us for the rest of our lives. This Kashi Yatra, I was deeply involved with that. I think people still remember me as one of the conveners of Kashi Yatra.
Oh, it was wonderful. I spent 6 years and ऐसा time कभी नहीं आएगा.
Lanka, we used to also go to that used to call girls' hostel to meet friends.
For us, the only option was Birla Mandir.
Almost 9 to 12, every alternate day, we were going for a movie.
Next to Assi and Riva Ghat. That is my best place so far.
Of course, ये अपना DG corner.
Belwan. La Bella.
Undoubtedly Limdi Corner.
I mean, there are a lot of weird incidents which I can't unfortunately say on camera.
Okay, I want to share on that note one very funny thing which I wanted to, I didn't share at that time. You know, when we were in IT girls hostel, I don't know if my batch girls will kick me for this. We had a funda that you should be happy under every circumstance. So if you have a crush for a guy, we felt that, you know, if he is angry, then it's because, of course, if he is not very friendly with you, it's because, you know, he is obviously, he considers you so close that he can show his displeasure with you. If he is nice, then of course he is nice. And if he ignores you, then that's because he is shy. So basically, we had a funda where you had to optimistically think that everything is going in favor of you.
Our batch, we had 420 guys and 10 girls.
I was the only girl. I would keep telling you that. So every time the professors would intimate the boys' hostel that there will be no class today. And they will forget to inform me, and I will sit alone in the class and wait. आज कोई क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
Ours was a dry branch, right? And with due respect, dry branch मतलब 33 guys, no girls, right? So there's only one party that all of us wanted to go to, and that was IMS का party जो होता है. तो हम पहुंच गए. We 3 were there, and then we realized कि बस अंदर तो जाने मिलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि apparently to get inside you have to come along with girls, right? And our whole intent was going there so that we could be with girls, but whatever be there. तो हमने क्या किया भाई, पीछे से घूमते घूमते गए बहुत निराश. फिर हमको एक ऊंचा सा लोहे का डोर दिखा. So we somehow managed to climb. We went on top of the door. We jumped into the first floor and then went down.
So our batch, so 94 we came. These 2 beautiful women, you know, come to Khosa sir's class day 1. And almost for 2 years, I don't think we ever talked. Complete ignore. So how did we meet? We all went to what, GDLJ?
That was उस time like we were scared of boys.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. हमारे बैच में 2-3 बंदे थे, उनका नाम नहीं लूंगा. वो एकदम मधुमक्खी की तरह तीनों इनके आसपास ही रहते थे.
ये वाइवा हो रहा था. लैब चल रहा था. तो मैंने रीडिंग्स ली और वाइवा के लिए मैं पहुंच गया. तो मैं बैठ गया, तो उन्होंने मेरी रीडिंग देखी और मेरी रीडिंग्स बंद करके रख दी साइड में, और अपने फेलो उनके साथ एक प्रोफेसर बैठे हुए थे. उनसे बोला, पता नहीं ये लोग आईडी से करके आते हैं, तब पढ़ने वाले लोग होते हैं, और तब भी कुछ पढ़ते क्यों नहीं यहाँ का इनको हो क्या जाता है. अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आया हो क्या गया. इन्होंने मेरी रीडिंग अचानक देखी और ढंग से देखी भी नहीं, और पता नहीं कैसे उन्होंने बंद करके साइड में रख दिया. फिर उसके बाद वो बोलते हैं कि देखो हमारे सारे वोल्ट मीटर 480 वोल्ट्स के हैं, और इनकी सारी रीडिंग अंडर 10 वोल्ट की हैं. तो सो आई कॉपीड इट from a journal which was around 30-40 years back.
हमारे एक सर थे RSS, फार्मास्यूटिक्स पढ़ाते थे. हमने किया था ये. अगरबत्ती ली, जलाई, लास्ट में लगा दिया चॉकलेट बॉम्ब, छत से टांग दिया खिड़की के बाहर, और 19 के 19 प्रेजेंट है कि कोई भी अगर नहीं होगा तो उस पे शक जाएगा. Exactly 20 minutes into the class, सर जी पढ़ा रहे हैं, बड़ाम. अब टीचर्स को मालूम है किया हम ही ने है, कैसे किया किसी को मालूम नहीं, अगरबत्ती है वगैरह वगैरह. So half the batch was failed. Topper was given only 8, average in that second sem छठी grade.
पर्ची बनाने बहुत तेज हुआ करते थे. ये इन्हीं की सर की जो है, ये क्या करो, 2-3 क्वेश्चन जो है आंसर याद करके आते थे एंड सेमेस्टर में, ठीक है. और वो क्वेश्चन आते नहीं थे तो भी उसी का आंसर लिखाते थे. अगर वो क्वेश्चन नहीं आया तो ये इसका लॉजिक क्या देते थे सर जी, कि सर सोचेंगे कि बच्चा कंफ्यूज हो गया होगा, इसको आता है पर इसने दूसरा क्वेश्चन नहीं दिया तो मुझे कुछ नंबर तो दे देंगे.
I don't think I tried to impress much, but I actually found my wife on campus. We were coming in the train together to campus. She was in visual arts, and we met on the train journey, and we just stayed in touch. And over time, we figured we got married after some time. So yeah.
I don't think this generation needs to be taught. This generation can learn a lot by the virtue of the networking itself.
I think just enjoy your time. When I was in college, I remember that we were still under some kind of stress, thinking that, oh my God, we are growing, okay, this thing is happening. But then, later on you realize that this is the time when you should be totally enjoying, totally be stress-free, totally having fun.
और जो करो पूरा मन से करो, डूब के करो.
You decide you have to do, then do it. Nothing is difficult.
Make good friends, and the most important thing is have a very all-round experience. BHU is a place known for its all-round experience.
It's in your hands now. It's for you to take it
I
forward.
think the younger generation has to take it forward.